How to hide the search bar in Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the search bar on your Windows taskbar in just a few steps. First, right-click on an empty space on your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Now, click on Taskbar Settings from the menu that pops up. This will open the Settings window. Look for the option that says Search. It should be near the top of the taskbar settings. Click on Search Box and you'll see a few display options. Select Hide to completely remove the search bar from your taskbar. And just like that, your taskbar will look cleaner and less cluttered. If you ever want it back, just follow the same steps and switch it back to the Show search box or whichever option you prefer. And that's it. Hiding the search bar in Windows takes less than a minute and makes your taskbar look a lot cleaner.